Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing a market recap for the 23rd of May, Wednesday. And today the market's gapped down pretty well. They basically chopped around, tried to make a higher high after the new home sales numbers came out. They came out better than expected. The market rallied a little bit into a lot of selling pressure and then just fell. After it got low enough, it just ended up chopping sideways until the 12 o'clock hour, and it eventually went down a little bit more and then rallied up quite substantially over the afternoon session. Today we had 3 trades, all of them successful. Maximum profit potential that we were working in was 9.25 points or 37 ticks. Actual entries and exits called out in the room, we made 4.75 points or 19 ticks. If you want to look at it as far as a price, how much money was made, if you want to round down, we'll say 4 points. If you're looking at $50 per point, $200 for 2.5 hours of work. And we actually made a little more than that since we made 4.75 points. But, you know, rounding down, it kind of gives an idea of what can happen, what's possible in this arena. With that, I encourage everyone to stop by and check out the website, www.businesswithtrading.com. Encourage you on the right hand side of the website, I have a getting started page. A lot of good information there. You know, if you're a new trader, a lot of good stuff there. You know, sign up for there's a 7-day trading course. Teaches you how to create a trading plan, stuff like that. I go much more in depth in the trading course, and in the trading coaching program I go much more in depth, and I get to work with people one-on-one. It gives me an opportunity to get to know them, not only as a trader but as a person, because trading is very personal. You know, trading, you have to learn who you are as a person, and eventually that will help you become a better trader. But you really do get to know yourself. You know, I've done tons of coaching, trading coaching for people. I've done life coaching for people, and I only do that as, you know, if someone actually asks me. I don't advertise that whatsoever because that's not really what I do. But being a trading coach basically is like being a life coach. There's a ton of information to trading. There's a ton of information out there on the internet, and a lot of people, at least the ones I've spoken with, focus on the wrong stuff, and that's, you know, where I come in. That's what makes my business work, because I know what you should and should not focus on. You know, and I'm not saying I'm the best trader in the world, because I'm pretty sure I'm not, but you know, I know what I need to do at certain times, and I know what I don't need to do at certain times, and you know, at the end of the day, week, month, year, you know, I'm successful, and that's basically all that really matters in the end, is can you be successful? And you know, a little bit of money to help ensure that you do see trading success, you know, I think is worth it. You know, if you make $50,000 your first year, you know, is $10,000 for a trading coach worth it? If you make $100,000 your second year, you know, you have to look at it in terms like that. Now, are you gonna be successful right off the bat? You know, I'm pretty sure you're not. You're not gonna talk to me for an hour and then be successful. You know, could that happen? It could, but it's not likely. You know, the probability of that happening is very low. It's probably the probability of getting struck by lightning twice on the way home from cashing in your lottery ticket, something like that. No, I'm just kidding. It's not that bad, but the odds aren't great. They're not great. Trading takes a lot of hard work, a lot of dedication, and I get a lot of questions like that. You know, a lot of people, they want to take my trading course and they have the wrong mindset. And some people, I can't be their trading coach. They would be wasting money. And that's why I usually do an initial consultation. If everyone that I have, well, not everyone, most of the people that do go through my program email me first. We could talk on the phone. They email me either their phone number, or they email me to give them their number and they call me. It depends on what people are interested in. If they want to make the first call, or they want to get called. Sometimes we play games of phone tag, because I'll call them, they're not home, they call me, I'm doing something else, and I call them a half an hour later, and it might take a few days. But the main goal is to be successful at the end of the day, or at the end of the week and the month and the year, because not every day, you're not going to be successful every day. And success can be measured in different ways, and I get into that a lot. I just wanted to touch on that a little bit. I don't want to talk about it for 50 minutes or anything. That would be way too much, and everybody would probably send me hate mail for recording such a long video. And I guess with that, let's go ahead and check out the news for tomorrow, see what we want to keep abreast of. So let me pull that over. Okay, and tomorrow is Thursday the 24th, and we have a ton of European news out in the morning time, or our morning time as far as the US is concerned. And then at 8:30 we have our first US news. We're looking at core durable goods orders, looking for 1.1%. Prior reading was negative 0.8%. Unemployment claims looking for 372, prior was 370. And durable goods orders looking for 0.5%, prior was negative 4. Mario Draghi is going to speak at 9 o'clock. That should be interesting. And we also have flash manufacturing PMI, so we'll see what that comes out. And then 10:30, FOMC member Dudley is going to speak, and along with his speaking, natural gas storage is going to come out. 77 billion we're looking for, prior was 61. At 3 o'clock, Geithner's going to speak. That's always interesting. And that's it for tomorrow. So tomorrow should be a very interesting day. All that news coming out, and we'll see where that takes us. So with that, hope you do enjoy this video. If you do, please click the Twitter, Facebook, and like buttons. Definitely would appreciate the support. If you enjoy the video, you can leave a comment. You can send me an email. Either way, it makes me feel great that my videos are actually being enjoyed by people. And of course, if you have any questions at all, if you go to the website, click on one of the menu buttons on the right hand side, a contact form will appear, and ask any questions that you might have. There's no such thing as a dumb question. There's only the question that hasn't been asked. And if you don't know the answer, ask the question. I was once a new trader. I know how much information is out there and how much bad information is out there. So yeah, if you have any questions, definitely shoot out something to me, any comments, any feedback, suggestions, anything of that nature. Definitely take advantage of that. With that, have an awesome night, and I'll see everyone tomorrow. Thanks.